तुम अकेली कैसे जाओगी? हाउ विल यू गो अलोन? हाउ विल यू गो अलोन? मैं ठीक हूँ, मुझे जाने दो। आई एम फाइन, लेट मी गो। आई एम फाइन, लेट मी गो। अगर कुछ हो गया तो? What if something happens? What if something happens? मैं अपनी सुरक्षा का ख्याल रखूंगी। I'll take care of my safety. I'll take care of my safety. क्या तुम्हारी उसके साथ लड़ाई हुई थी? Did you have a fight with him? Did you have a fight with him? क्या मैं उसे अपने साथ ले जाऊं? Can I take her with me? Can I take her with me? उससे पूछ लो, अगर जाना चाहती है तो जाओ। Ask her if she wants to go. Ask her if she wants to go. क्या वो जाने के लिए तैयार है? Is she ready to go? Is she ready to go? आप उसे कहाँ ले जा रहे हो? Where are you taking her? Where are you taking her? मुझे इस बारे में उससे बात करनी है। I need to talk to her about this. I need to talk to her about this. ठीक है, उससे बात करो और अपना confusion दूर करो। All right, talk to her and clear your confusion. All right, talk to her and clear your confusion. मेरी बात तो सुनो। Listen to what I have to say. Listen to what I have to say. अब क्या कहना चाहते हो? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? ये जरूरी है क्या? Is this necessary? Is this necessary? तो मैं क्या करूं? So what do I do? So what do I do? उसका मूड बहुत खराब है। She is in a very bad mood. She is in a very bad mood. उसे थोड़ा समय दो, वो ठीक हो जाएगी। Give her some time, she'll be fine. Give her some time, she'll be fine. क्या हम उसके लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं? Can we do something for her? Can we do something for her? उससे क्या परेशानी है? What's bothering her? What's bothering her? मैं जाकर देखती हूँ। I'll go and see. I'll go and see. क्या हो गया है तुम्हें? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? क्या कह रहे थे आप? What were you saying? What were you saying? तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ था? Where was your attention? Where was your attention? मुझे क्या सुनना चाहिए? What should I listen to? What should I listen to? आपको क्या लगता है, मैंने उसे बुलाया था? What do you think? I called him. What do you think? I called him. आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? अब क्या करना है? What to do now? What to do now? मैं तो उसे समझाने की कोशिश कर रही थी। I was actually trying to explain to him. I was actually trying to explain to him. किस बारे में? About what? About what? क्या तुम मेरे सवाल का जवाब दोगी? Will you answer my question? Will you answer my question? मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए। I need some time. I need some time. मेरे पास जवाब नहीं है। I don't have the answer. I don't have the answer. कौन सा था? Which one was it? Which one was it? वह पहले वाला था। It was the first one. It was the first one. मुझे याद नहीं, शायद दूसरा वाला था। I don't remember. Maybe it was the second one. I don't remember. Maybe it was the second one. क्या तुम्हें फिर से देखना है? Do you want to see it again? Do you want to see it again? उसने मुझे इस बारे में बताया था। He told me about it. He told me about it. क्या तुम्हें इसके बारे में कुछ पता है? Do you know anything about it? Do you know anything about it? आपको कहाँ से पता चला? Where did you find out? Where did you find out? पर आपने हमें क्यों नहीं बताया? But why didn't you tell us? But why didn't you tell us? मैं भूल गया। I forgot. I forgot. मुझे लगा ये ज़रूरी नहीं था। I thought it wasn't important. I thought it wasn't important. मुझे लगा तुम्हें पहले से पता है। I thought you already knew. I thought you already knew. अब हम क्या करें? What do we do now? What do we do now? मैं ऐसा नहीं होने दूंगा। I won't let it happen. I won't let it happen. हम इससे कैसे निपट सकते हैं? How can we deal with it? How can we deal with it? किसका फोन है? Whose call is it? Whose call is it? आप फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे? Why aren't you answering the phone? Why aren't you answering the phone? आप ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay?